Hey everyone, welcome to TCB. This is part 9 of Tekla Structures Construction Point Tutorial playlist. Now the next method is add the point along arc using center and arc points. Click on that. Inside that we have the two methods to create the arc point along the arc or the circle with the angles or the distance. Let's try with the angle first. It is asking to pick a center point. Okay, so let's give the center point. Pick a point along the circle. So to implement that, we need the circle first. Let's discard it and create the circle. Now we have created the circle and let's go back to the method. Pick the center point, pick the point along the circle. So we have the point along the circle already created. Let's select it and the point has been created. Let's check by measuring the angle. It is at 40 degree. Let's give it minus and check. Pick the center and pick the point along the line. So it's been created in the clockwise direction. So it is working for the minus as well as the positive angle. Now let's see for the distance, and here I'm giving 3 into 400 and applying okay. Let's delete this and go back again with distance. It is asking to pick a center point. Pick a point along the circle. As per the input, we have given the 400 distance. So 1, 2, 3 distance has been created. Let's measure it. We need to measure the arc because this time we have given the distance, and as per this method, this point is getting copied with the distance 400 along the circle. So let's measure it. This is 400. This is 400. This is 400. So as per the method, this V segments of the 400 dimension has been created successfully in the perimeter of the circle. So that's it in this presentation. For the continuation, please check my next tutorial. Links are provided on the description. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for the listening. Have a nice day.